Hi, hello everyone. I could not find anyone hearing live anyway. This is just a start, okay, of my intro of coffee meeting strategies. Okay, so it's a very good idea. So, as a clear and sincere sales professional for years, I would also like to thank the Cinnabon coffee outlet. Okay, from there I got that caption that coffee meets communication. Okay, so I thought it's a long pending caption for me to let's sell successfully, sell smart, strategic, sensible, spontaneous is my caption. So it doesn't make sense making an intro again and again because you have seen me, my profile over years on product marketing, selling, training, consulting, and other areas. So why I am live? There is a reason. So I have been training into all type of markets: UAE, Indian, US, UK to some extent. So many of my strategies are from Mr. Gary Jacobs, just a referral. But all other experiences which I spoke into both my channels, Let's Set Successfully and also in Vanga Sales Pesalam for Tamil aspirants, all are my experiences into practical field sales. I don't know how many of you are listening. Let me wait here. Thank you. I think Sedu is there and he's an MBA, I suppose. And his father is a leading trainer who is also my brother, elder brother, cousin brother. So welcome for my live notification. So thanks to my husband for his like. Okay. So then, fine. What is I got in store is you all. Thanks. So what I'm trying to tell is, as I told you, that people who know me personally does not know me professionally. People who know me professionally do not know me personally, but they too, my managers know my to some extent all my coding of characters. So this extending courtesy, excuse me, sorry for everything, easily available, those things is not into my professional course at any friends as a strong salesperson over years. So that is what I try to tell. And like standard operating procedures, no SOP, there is also sales operating procedures into my code of conduct. So thanks to my husband once again, and it's not in any of the partnership. It's a sole proprietorship, personally owned by Mr. Mahesh and family friends, and professionally by me and my own career through years. And of course, without the managers, without the professionals, I am not here sitting and talking with you. This is what I love to tell all of you. So why I'm going live now is before I start from today is just a startup meet. Okay, I'm just using my phone to tell the strategies. So I'm just replying Setu. Setu, you can please watch my timeline and connect with me there. Okay. You can go to my timeline. Okay. So that is one thing. And one more thing is why I'm here. Okay. So I don't like to grind the same floor again and again as a successful salesperson for years. So why I'm here? Before talking that, based on my experiences, of course, my coffee is here. Okay. So coffee meeting strategies is the caption, right? So let me sip my first sip along with you with your cheers. Okay. So how many coffee lovers like me? And then, so what is the lesson I learned over years is, as you all have watched me in all my intro videos, how I started my career as a faculty and receptionist, then as an admin manager, and then center manager, then marketing manager, then I was a secretary to chairman in a hospital. There also, I was a media coordinator. From there, I'm a marketing person in Oman. From there, I entered Citibank UAE in as sales manager. Then from year 2010, right from Sharjah, I started my own freelancing career. Through years, I earned of course, I learned a lot of experiences. I learned a lot of strategies. I learned experiences from many professionals, but financially, it is a total loss. That is, I have not invested any monetary things except for my due SIM card. And thank you so much to both the service providers, Etisalat 5G and also Due Mobile. Okay, right from Sharjah, I'm having the both the due number and the Etisalat land phone for the services. First of all, let me thank them. And then, what is my learning is three things I learned during my career. Career as a consultant and freelancer. My paid job is the last paid job I worked is at Citibank Dubai as sales manager for a salary to an employer. Okay, as an employee. After that, I started freelancing with lot of ups and downs and permutations and combinations in my career. And one more practice that I have is, as I told you, when I'm into my profession, I always use watch in my right hand. That is one thing. And three things, these are all small things we love to share and interact and all those things. And why I had a taste for sales is my gratitude to CV Varghese, as I told in one of my video, my very first area sales manager who trained me in Muscat, Oman on selling a software product. Okay, so he's the one, he Setu, how are you? Any queries, you can type it here. I shall answer you online. And thanks for the support. Okay. And so Varghese is the one who sowed the seeds of a very successful professional selling on field. So thanks to him and his team, and there only I learned that Malayalam, because I was the one person who's among 14 plus men in the crowd. I am the only women, and also I am from Tamil Nadu. They are all from the God's own country. So gratitude to them. They treated me so good. They treated me awesome. They treated me excellent, and they all showed me a tremendous support into all my sales pitches. So first, my gratitude to them. And then after City in 20, I left my job in City by 2008, if I'm not wrong. So after that, I started freelancing, and three things I learned, okay, in this career. Especially 2015 was a year of what a tremendous year it was, because that year only I sowed the seeds for Kalpavriksham, a wish fulfilling divine tree. I clubbed as an event manager for years from India, Oman, and UAE, and here I served Tamil Ladies Circle on organizing programs. That is one thing. So I started that Kalpavriksham having many branches in my mind. So 2015 was a year of a big turn for me, which is unforgettable year. Okay, I started Kalpavriksham in a larger measure that year. I met many field managers. I was into so many places. History. Thanks for your support. Okay, so these are all the things which is etching into this career. I'm very happy to receive my brother. I think he had some personal and professional commitment, but he's right available here. So let me go for another attire on Saturday when I'm meeting him live. So this is one thing. And one more thing I love to share is, out of my experiences through years, after I start my freelancing career, people taught me three things: people, markets, and experiences. One is learn to say no to people. Two is don't sell yourself cheap. Of course, that I never do. My managers know me. And don't be readily available to people who are least bothered about you, and just keep going. These are all some emotional touches from my personal friends. As I told you, professionally, I just don't care who's right in front of me. I just keep going into my strategies. And there is, as a salesperson, we all have targets. So I'm very much focused into my targets. That is one thing. And coming to the main picture, what are all I train? Okay, so I will go to that now. I have already listed that into my Facebook timeline. I will be again sharing that. My training patterns usually comprise of basic sales and marketing clues training. Okay, so basic sales and marketing clues is training a fresher. If you go to Let's Sell Successfully, my first video in a black butterfly salwar, it will start with the basic coding of selling even to a normal salesperson, to the nth manager who has an experience over years into selling platforms. So my first training caption or first training title is basic sales and marketing clues. My second clue is basic appraisal clues. And third, basic appraisal clues, you would have seen today. I shared a video in my FB timeline. And third is advanced level appraisal clues. Fourth is I'm a very specialized in clearing your target pitfalls, duly coined and captioned by my managers. Humble gratitude to them. And fifth is correcting your sales pitches. Why you are not able to sell? As I told you in one of my, let me take a sip of coffee to just support my throat, right? So any queries you can type here. I shall answer you here. This is home sweet home. This is Corona captioned now. Otherwise, usually I meet the managers and team in any of the top outlets in Abu Dhabi, coffee outlets, Costa Cafe or Magan Bean or Tim Hortons and then Starbucks, to name a few. Of course, we saw something in Cinnabon. It is an unplanned meet. Of course, it is not a meeting as such. I just addressed you from there. I can tell you that way into my YouTube channel. So I should also be posting that target video into my Let's Sell Successfully. Please kindly stay tuned for that. So we have been speaking about the fifth point is correcting your sales pitches. This is my specialty. So I train the manager first and then I will go to the team. It is vice versa is the process because as good your manager, so good is the team. Okay, and to be a leader, first you should practice what you preach. This is what I train my in sales cabins. And then the sixth one is product marketing flaws. Why your product is not selling in the market? As I told you, for a jeweler, I told that his advertising platforms is not rigid and his advertising platforms is not broad. So I just introduced a strategy of customers themselves posing for their product, which was the biggest hit in the market. And now, as you can see, that nook and corner of any jewelry sales, right from imitation jewelry till clothing till whatever you have, everything is going for the customer posing as the model. Okay, that is one thing. And then market study. This is one of my training. A market study I did it for the jeweler, where I also trained their sales team, that is the sales professionals. And my plus is I will be able to train both banking and retail and also corporate trainers, and I will be able to train both in English, which is a common professional language, and also in Tamil, which is my mother tongue, and I am from Singara, Chennai. So from there I was able to devise two videos for a Kanjipuram based silk sari manufacturer. That is one thing. I think four in the number who are watching me live. May I know who are they for? Let me thank them first. Who's the fourth one? So tell a hi. Who's that fourth one? One is Sri Mahesh Setu. I think one more person is watching. Anyway, thank you so much. And correcting sales pitches, product marketing flaws, market study, Then advertising strategies. So as good the advertisement, as I told you, when I went to Cinnabon and I was, see, usually Kalpavriksham carries a caption. What is that caption is? Accomplishment is enjoyment, enjoyment is accomplishment at work. This is Gary Jacobs strategy and also Mother Service Society strategy, which I have captioned for my main aspiration, which is Kalpavriksham, which is carrying so many branches. Let's sell successfully, Vanga sales space alarm, and also mothers even, so many things in order. So that is accomplishment is enjoyment, enjoyment is accomplishment is very true for every professional salesperson who is true, sincere and focused on his goals. As I told, when I started to run, I usually never turn back and I usually don't care right in front who. It doesn't mean I don't apply the brake. It does mean I am fixing on the goal. That is one thing. And one more is customer advertising strategies. As I told you, I went to Cinnabon. I start coffee meeting communication, right? So I don't want to hide and tell that I only invented this caption like coffee with strategies, coffee meeting strategies. So JC sir, hi, and thanks for watching. So thanks for all your support. And so this is he is a senior engineer from Etisalat, if I'm not wrong, and he's also a very famous social person here. He served India Social and Cultural Center as Vice President in the year 2017. Wish him more success and love to see him in much more hiring platforms. That is higher platforms, right? So that is customer relationship management, CRM, as they call. No, now Salesforce from US. I had one tie-up with a person there, but I could not achieve more because I don't have a professional office here, and also I'm not in a position to sit in the US or go to US. So those things are not needed, and that is client and customer relationship management. Client relationship management is I train managers who are suffering to satisfy the customers. Let me give one clue if I'm going the startup life. That is one base clue is why you are not able to satisfy your customer. There are one pivotal reason is you don't know your product well. You don't have the full sales knowledge on the product you sell. And one more clue is if you are if you are a professional retail sales manager or a banking sales manager or a corporate sales manager, any kind of sales, both the connected sales manager and the product marketing manager, both should have thorough knowledge of the sales pitch and also the product marketing pitch. So where client relationship comes is, it is a combination of both. So any successful client relationship manager should have a complete knowledge of CRM, which is customer relationship management. So that customer relationship management is comprising of two teeter ends of the sales process, which is practical selling, corporate selling, and also product marketing. A good sales manager should thoroughly know his product. And one more thing, rather than the features of the product, he should be a master in pricing. Okay, these are the things I love to share regarding the client relationship management. And then my 11th specialty training title is employee code of conduct. That is both the freshers and also if an organization is found to be poor, or in general they have to enhance the capacity of the sales team or any team or the entire office of employees, I go train in personality development basics. So what are the contents of that basics is, I train in attire, behavior, communication, and technical. Technical in the sense, as I told you, a very simple example. A very leading sales manager was accompanied by me as a fresher on field. So he was having his telephone in his ears and he rang the bell of a very big chain of polyclinics, which is an Arab run polyclinics in this country, Abu Dhabi, in this emirate. And he was speaking to that general manager with his phone on. The phone was addressed to her by a friend. Okay, is that necessary to keep your phone on? Pivotal number one clue is kindly put your phone in silent mode when addressing a celebrity. According to me, if you sell to a maid also, he is a celebrity for me, because he is my customer. I am the professional salesperson who is destined to sell my product. So I am going to treat both the CEO of a company and the working maid who is going to buy my product the same as a professional salesperson. That is one clue. That is what I try to tell you, where I train regarding the pitfalls in a sales pitch. Employee code of conduct, attire, technical way to communicate, where the team is going wrong. And one more thing, no, a team is together, everyone achieves more. This, I am very much into this, and I love to compromise at all friends if I am put up inside a team, which I have proved over years. That is one thing. So branding, I'm waiting for one more video from Antwerp, because I've been addressing some 12 questions regarding branding. Once that video is out professionally, I shall share here regarding branding your product means, see, if professionally I won't sell myself cheap, that is a top brand. And one more thing, regarding anything, I'm not going to bring down my company's dignity down. That is second brand. So as a professional salesperson, even a fresher entering a field should not go and tell, even if you sell to your own husband or your wife, your father, your brother, wherever it is, don't, your friend, don't go and tell them, hey, please, I joined this company, I have my target, kindly buy this, please. Then you are out of sales, according to me. If you report to me, I shall be the first person to pull you out of the company, because you have to go and convince them on the product features. So once it comes to one-to-one sales, you are meeting your customer, maybe any relative, any friend, whatever it is, he is a customer to you. So how you are going to address him? You are going to, him or she or he, whatever it is, you are going to convince him regarding the features of the product, which is sincerely, truly available in the market, not something which is a dramatic imagination of your own features fitting into that product. This is what I love to tell. And one more thing is coding your brands with current market pipelines. What is current market pipeline? See, an old company selling an old product will not have the same sales strategy now. So the product may be the same, the features may differ, okay, additional features may be there, or missing features may be there. So once you have studying everything, so I'm specialized in training in coding your brands with current market conditions. Then the last point but not the least is feedback with customers, clients, retailers, and suppliers. Regarding this, I have spoken a full video into Let's Sell Successfully. Kindly go and watch the channel. And this is 15 plus years of experience into consulting and training, and in total of 22 plus more experiences into secretarial, administration, management, media, product marketing, branding, MCing, training, and then I'm a lyricist as well in both English and Tamil, and I'm very passionate in volleyball, in cooking, and also writing lot of programs. I'm good at gardening. These are all my few of my personal taste. So the fifth person is watching. Just tell a hi. Who's there to pay my gratitude? Total of 5 online now. Thank you so much for watching. I shall wait to take your queries now. Your comments, your critics. So when we are criticized, we grow, right? No more takes. So I will love to introduce that from today is an intro of this coffee meeting strategies. So from Saturday, I am fully into this business from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. local time UAE. That is 8:30 to 9:30 p.m. Thank you, Sri. Good initiative, Priya. All the best. Your language with a smile on us, great. Thank you so much, Sri. That's how my hierarchy goes. Thank you. And fine. That is how I sell. My brother knows me as a salesperson for years. So, and one more thing is, why do we fail in sales? That is a master technique which I am exposing here. Is people who know me here into so many social platforms as a mom does not know me as a salesperson. So once you come to me, this smileys and all other things I encourage, because we used to hug each other if when we fail. As I told in one of my video today morning, in successful selling, your victory is a private affair. Your failure is a public funeral. You will be thrown in no time out of your market into both your team, your company, everywhere once you fail in sales. So that is what consistency is a very important keyword. Okay, so keep smiling, keep selling. So sales is complete stuff of sell, smart, spontaneous, strategic, sensible. Smart selling is like smart working. And தமிழ்லயும் நிறைய பேர் கேட்டுட்டு இருப்பாங்கன்னு எனக்கு தெரியும். நான் அட்வர்டைஸ் பண்ணபடி என்னோட குட்டி குட்டி ஸ்டோரி கேட்ட எல்லாருக்கும் ரொம்ப இப்பதான் ட்ரெண்ட் இல்ல, மாஸ்டர் இஸ் த ட்ரெண்டிங். So let's tell your kutti story. You please listen to my story. Okay, so if you find in the kutti story உங்களுக்கு இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங்கா இருந்ததுன்னா தொடர்ந்து என்ன லைவ்ல கேட்ச் பண்ணுங்க. Shortly a manager and team will also be joining with me. I have advertised in a broader measure because நான் வந்து இந்த ஆன்லைன் ட்ரைனிங் ஸ்டாப் பண்ணி more than 1.5 years கிட்ட ஆறுது. So நான் வந்து இப்ப வந்து மறுபடியும் I'm starting in a faster measure. And also my gratitude, Mr. Roy Posner of Lamere International Systems, Life Response Reader. He is a musician, he is a multidimensional personality with over many years of experiences in celebrity sales in all the blue chip companies in California, USA. So Roy, thank you so much as a sales master to me. So many managers, and one manager I met who broke down my what you call my inferiority complex into pieces, and he's a killer manager. His thing was, first stop telling that you belong to middle class, low class, high class. Once you start Kalpavriksham, you have to chase yourself as a good class, as a good communicator. And he only encouraged me to go and meet people, become a member, and a lot of things he just encouraged in me. It was a very bold professional meet and very good impressions. Thank you so much. And one more, as I said, is Varghese, and one more is a principal of a school. She was the one, not here, it is way back in I met her in one of the Tamil social programs, and she told me, Priya, please don't sit inside a cabin and work because you are born for selling. That is, thank you for that. And one of my assistant medical director, Mrs. Prema Padmanabhan, she's a very beautiful person, and she's from Shankar Nethralaya. I believe now she is a medical director there. She said that choose any career where you are interacting with people and not machines. Because I am an NITian, I completed my GNIT. But my coding and my fingers of practice is long back into software products. Occasionally I code, occasionally I do touch, and my brother Sri can help me in all the software things, as you all know. So I'm not a technical person. If you take my career and years of experiences, but I'm a professional salesperson. So my plus is communication, as per all my language, my managers and others tell me. Humble to share that, and with gratitude. So if I keep speaking like one man show, it's not perfume, right? It is me speaking and everybody listening. Let me try some Zoom and what you call Telegram. So many apps are into the market. If I try that and then come back to you, I think that will be more making sense. So the reason to connect and start online is coffee meeting strategies, right? So coffee and strategies meet from Priya Let's Sell Successfully. Thank you all for watching. So if you have any clients, if you have any institutes who is in search of soft skills trainers, kindly let me know in the comment box, or I will type online my. Thank you for the support. Okay. So this is priyaletzel@gmail.com, and you can also reach me in WhatsApp. As I told you, hearts and kisses is not needed for sales professionals. We need targets. That is a personal affair. Let us keep it personal. So 052 9052 581. Connect with me professionally in this WhatsApp number. This is the Telegram number for me. This you can message me if you are inside the Emirate, and please come and support me. If any the prayer has started, I need to give respect to this country, who are the rulers, who have been tremendous in showering their grace and protection on us. Thanks for the vaccine initiatives as well. And congratulations, the United Arab Emirates, for the Hope probe to land in Mars yesterday. Okay, by UAE local time 8, if I'm not wrong. 7:42:45 was the time. So, with this gratitude note, let me wait for 5 minutes local time for the prayer to complete and also for your queries to be taken over. Thank you. I think I'm requesting my coffee to be. அப்ப அந்த காஃபி சுட பண்ணி சொல்லிடு ஆகாஷ்.
First part முடிஞ்சுட்டா.
No takers, I think. Thank you, Rohini, JC sir, Shri, Mahesh, Setu. So again, I request, it's a self-advertisement as well. If any of the institute or is in need of a soft skills trainer, kindly let me know. Not only soft skills, it's a professional training platform, any personality development training, marketing, anything as well, let me know. I too conduct camps for children, but this is not possible now because COVID is dominating the world, and staying home, staying safe is the caption now. Okay. Let me know your comments in the comment section for me to carry on more professionally. That is one thing. Usually I train in previously in Cisco WebEx software. So there I will start account. From there I'll be giving the link to all the managers and the team as guided by Roy in a larger measure. After I started training for more number of years, and then I shifted to now the technology is in the upfront, no, in our fingertips. So now so many things have come. I thought Facebook live, YouTube live, I think I need 1,000 subscribers to go live, so which is not possible now. And I never take it for granted. I can't wait, sit and till I reach the 1,000 subscribers. My sales pitches will never wait. So let me keep going. So once I reach the 1,000 subscriber, let me catch over there and kindly support me in Priya Mahesh's Kitchen is one of my kitchen channel as a passionate cook, where you can also see the clubbings of the retail outlets there. So like Perumal stores and also Cinnabon. So I'm trying to go and meet people, meet companies, meet professionals, have a coffee and strategy meet with leading managers as well. This is all in the plan in the future run. Once the COVID is allowing us to be coming out with safe protocols. This is in short, and the time is now 40 minutes to 8, 7:40, right? 20 minutes to past 8 p.m. local time. So there is no meaning in sitting and talking alone. So I don't want to make this a profile, you practiced live, right? So this is my profile as you can see in the screen. ஸோ வாங்க சேல்ஸ் பேசலாம் அப்படிங்கிறது வந்து தமிழ்ல வந்து நான் வந்து ஏற்படுத்திய ஒரு சேனல். இதுல வந்து ரீட்டைல் அவுட்லெட்ஸ் இருக்கு இல்லையா, ஒரு சின்ன பொட்டி கடையில இருந்து கார்பரேட் லெவல்ல சேல் பண்ற எல்லாரும் என்கிட்ட வந்து உங்களுடைய queries போடலாம். ஸோ நான் வந்து டெஃபினட்டா உங்களுக்கு நான் கைட் பண்ணுவேன். என்னுடைய சேல்ஸ் வீடியோஸ் எல்லாத்தையும் பாருங்க. வாங்க சேல்ஸ் பேசலாம்னு தனியா ஒரு யூடியூப் சேனல் இருக்கு, அங்க போய் உட்கார்ந்து எல்லாத்தையும் பாருங்க. லெட் செல் சக்சஸ்ஃபுல்லியும் நான் மேக்ஸிமம் நம்பர் ஆஃப் ப்ரொஃபஷனல் ட்ரைனிங் கொடுத்துருக்கேன். ஸோ வந்து ரொம்ப ஈஸி சேல்ஸுங்கிறது. நிறைய வந்து ஹவுஸ் ஒய்ஃப்ஸ் வந்து நான் மீட் பண்ணும்போது இந்த ப்ராசஸ் ஆஃப் ஃப்ரீலான்சிங் தே ஃபெல்ட் வெரி ரிஜிட், தே ஃபெல்ட் இன்ஃபீரியர். தெர் இஸ் நத்திங் டு ஃபீல் இன்ஃபீரியர். அண்ட் managers who are watching, come on please, every now and then see ஒரு சின்ன ஒரு க்ளூ வந்து நான் ஒரு ஷேர் நான் கொடுக்கணும்னு நினைக்கிறேன் before I end this live video. See my nails, no, there is no nail polish, right? so வந்து இங்க இருக்கிற நிறைய பேரு ரெசிடென்ஸ் விசால ஒர்க் பண்ண வராங்க. என்ன மாதிரி அவங்க ஹஸ்பண்டோட சப்போர்ட்டோட, ஹஸ்பண்ட் மேபி த ஸ்பான்சர் இன் காமன். ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி வரும்போது அவங்களுக்கு குழந்தைகள் இருக்கலாம், வீட்டுல 100 வேலைகள் செய்யலாம். சோ எவ்ரிடே போய் பியூட்டி பார்லர்ல உட்கார்ந்து நெயில் பெயிண்டிங் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்க முடியாது. ஐ எம் நாட் அகெயின்ஸ்ட் எனிவன். சின்சியர்லி ஐ எம் அ லவர் டு see others nails painted with beautiful polishes and designs. Why I'm trying to tell is ஒருத்தங்க வந்து ரொம்ப இன்ஃபீரியரா ஃபீல் பண்ணி அவங்களே வேலையை விட்டுட்டாங்க. என்ன காரணம்னா, her reporting manager is a fashion designer basically, but she is into sales and marketing pitches because of referrals, and she was the reporting manager to that particular trainee. So அவங்க வந்து நீ ஏன் வந்து நெயில் பாலிஷ் வந்து போடல? சோ நெயில் பாலிஷ் வந்து அரையும் குறையுமா இல்லாம இருக்கிறது தான் ஒரு சேல்ஸ் code. Okay, you have to wear a good decent outfit. If your company is looking for a blazer, pant and shirt, and you have a code of conduct with a bow and gents a tie, a belt, a shoes, everything is fine. These are all the sales basics. But if you don't come with a nail polish on hand, a costly attire, that doesn't count on you in sales. சேல்ஸ்ங்கிறது வந்து ஸ்ட்ராட்டஜிஸ் பேஸ் பண்ணி செல் பண்றது. அஃப்கோர்ஸ் ஒரு கம்பெனியோட மிஷன் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட், விஷன் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட்னு 2 இருக்கும். அதை பார்த்து நம்ம வந்து டக்குன்னு பயப்படக்கூடாது. இப்ப வீட்டுல இருக்கிற ஒரு சின்ன சின்ன முறைகளை வச்சுக்கிட்டே நம்ம வந்து சேல்ஸ் ஸ்ட்ராட்டஜிஸை ஈஸியா புரிஞ்சுக்க முடியும். சேல்ஸ்னா என்ன, ஒரு சின்ன ஸ்ட்ராட்டஜியோட, ஏன்னா தமிழ் மக்களுக்கும் நான் அட்ரஸ் பண்றேன்னு சொல்லி வாங்க சேல்ஸ் பேசலாம்னு வேற போட்டு வச்சிருக்கிறேன். ஸோ நான் இங்கிலீஷ் மட்டும் அட்ரஸ் பண்ணேன்னா தட் இஸ் நாட், தட் இஸ் பார்ஷியல் இல்லையா? சோ நான் தமிழ்ல ஒரே ஒரு குட்டி ஸ்ட்ராட்டஜி சொல்றேன். இப்ப வந்து எங்க ஹஸ்பண்ட் அடிக்கடி சொல்வாரு, பிளானிங், லைஃப் இஸ் பிளானிங், இட்ஸ் மேக்ஸ் அப்படின்னு. அதே மாதிரி இப்ப நீங்க சமைக்கிறீங்கல்ல, சமையலுக்கு வந்து நீங்க பிளான் பண்றோம்ல. நம்ம இப்ப 12:15க்கு நம்ம பசங்களோட பஸ் வருது, KG1 KG2ல போகும்போதுன்னா நம்ம 11:45க்கே நம்ம லஞ்ச் ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணி இங்க வச்சிடுவோம். அதேதான் சேல்ஸ். நம்ம வந்து நாளைக்கு பண்ணக்கூடிய ஒரு ப்ராடக்ட விற்க போறோம். சே வந்து ஒரு இட்லி டப்பர்வேர் இட்லி போடுற பாத்திரம் விற்கிறீங்கன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்களேன். அதை யாரை நம்ம போய் பார்க்க போறோம், யார்கிட்ட பேசணும், அவங்க நம்பர் என்ன டைப்ல அவங்களை அப்ரோச் பண்ணணும், என்ன சொன்னா அவங்க உடனே வாங்குவாங்க, அவங்க வந்து இந்த ப்ராடக்ட வாங்கக்கூடிய அளவுக்கு அவங்களுக்கு பினான்சியல் ஸ்ட்ரென்த் இருக்கா, அவங்கள எப்ப போய் பார்த்தாக்க ஹார்மோனிஸா இருக்கும். இதெல்லாம் முடிச்சிட்டு, ஓ உங்களுக்கு வேண்டாமா, உங்களுக்கு ரிலேட்டிவ்ஸ் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் யாரானு இருக்காங்களா, நெய்பர்ஸ் இருக்காங்களா, அவங்க நம்பர் கொடுங்க, அவங்கள ரெஃபர் பண்ணுங்க, வெளில போயிடணும். இதுதான் விஷன் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட், மிஷன் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் சொல்லி பயமுறுத்துவாங்க. இதெல்லாம் பார்த்து பயப்படக்கூடாது. இங்கிலீஷ் ஆல்சோ இஸ் அ வெரி ஃப்ரெண்ட்லி லாங்குவேஜ், இட்ஸ் அ பியூட்டிஃபுல் லாங்குவேஜ், ஈஸி டு லேர்ன். ஒரு நாளைக்கு ஒரு டிக்ஷனரி எடுத்து 10 வார்த்தைகளை இங்கிலீஷ்ல படிச்சீங்கன்னா ரொம்ப ஈஸியா நீங்க வந்து இங்கிலீஷ் கத்துக்கலாம். பேசும்போதே குழந்தைகள் கிட்ட கிண்டல், நான் வந்து என் பசங்க கிட்ட இருந்தா நிறைய வந்து மொபைல் டெக்னிக்ஸ் எல்லாம் கத்துக்கிட்டேன். இதுல எந்த விதமான தப்பும் கிடையாது. சோ ஒரு நாளைக்கு நீங்க பேசும்போது 10 ஃப்ரேஸ் இங்கிலீஷ்ல பேசுனீங்கன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்களேன். வாட் இஸ் யுவர் நேம்? மை நேம் இஸ் பிரியா. So what are you specialized in? I'm a professional trainer. இது மாதிரி வந்து சின்ன சின்ன விஷயங்களை கத்துக்கிறது வந்து ரொம்ப பெரிய பயனை தரும். இன்னொன்னு வந்து உங்களுக்கு ஒரு ப்ராடக்ட் பத்தின ஒரு விவரங்களை வந்து ஆங்கிலத்துல சொல்ல முடியல அப்படின்னா நீங்க எங்க போய் விற்கிறீங்களோ ஒரு பெரிய பிரிண்ட் அவுட் எடுத்து ஒரு பேட்ல ஒட்டிக்கிட்டீங்கன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க. இப்படி அந்த பேடை தூக்கி நீங்க புடிச்சுக்கிட்டு அதை பார்த்து அப்படியே படிச்சிடலாம். ஓகே, அது இன்னொன்னு. தேர்ட் க்ளூ, இதுதான் என்னோட ப்ராடக்ட், இதுல வந்து ஃபுல் டீடைல் இருக்கு. இதுல உங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது சந்தேகங்கள், டவுட் இருந்தா நீங்க வந்து என்கிட்ட கேட்கலாம், நான் வந்து உங்களுக்கு சொல்றேன் அப்படிங்கறது வந்து ரொம்ப ஈஸியான ஸ்ட்ராட்டஜி. சோ அதை பார்த்துட்டு அவங்க கேட்பாங்க, ஓ இது உங்கள்கிட்ட அவைலபிளா இருக்கா. மெயினா வந்து ரீட்டைல் ப்ராடக்ட்ல என்ன நம்ம என்ன சர்ச் பண்ணுவோம், ஏற்கனவே ஒரு ப்ராடக்ட் பத்தின ஒரு ஐடியா வந்து நம்ம மைண்ட்ல இருக்கு, அதை வாங்கறதுக்கு தான் நம்ம போக போறோம். அங்க போன உடனே நமக்கு பிடிச்சமான கலர் இருக்கான்னு நம்ம பார்ப்போம், ரைட்? சோ அந்த கலரை வந்து நம்ம அங்க போய் சர்ச் பண்ணுவோம். இது வந்து செகண்ட் க்ளூ. அப்ப நீங்க என்ன பண்ணலாம், உங்க ப்ராடக்ட வந்து நீங்க பின்னாடி ஒட்டிருக்கீங்க. இங்க பாருங்க, எனக்கு வந்து வெல்கம் இருக்கு, கீழே வந்து மெரிகோல்ட் ஃபிளவர் இருக்கு, அது ஒயிட் கலர் ஃபிளவர் பாட்ல இருக்கு, மேல பிரவுன் ஃபிளவர் பாட்ல புதினா போட்டிருக்கேன். சிம்பிளுங்க. இதேதான் ப்ராடக்ட் மார்க்கெட்டிங், இதேதான் சேல்ஸ். சோ அவங்க கிட்ட நீங்க பேக்ல போய் வந்து ஒட்டி வச்சிட்டீங்கன்னா அவங்க வந்து என்னமா வாட் ஆர் த கலர்ஸ் அவைலபிள் அப்படின்னு கேட்டாங்கன்னா அப்படியே பயப்பட வேண்டிய அவசியமே இல்லை, இதெல்லாம் இருக்குங்க. ஒரு பேசிக் இங்கிலீஷ் நமக்கு தெரியும் இல்லையா? ப்ளூ, ரெட், மெஜெண்டா, எல்லோ, ஆரஞ்சு, வயலட், கிரே, பிங்க், எத்தனை கலர்ஸ் இருக்கு, எல்லாம் பின்னாடி இருக்கு. இதுல உங்களுக்கு என்னமா வந்து வேணும், they will tell I want this. So அவங்க கேட்பாங்க how many days it will take to deliver? 4 days sir. That's all, your sales is over. So அதிகமா பேசாம கரெக்டா கம்மியா பேசி, நான் பர்சனலா நிறைய பேசுவேன், பட் ஃபீல்டுல வந்து நான் நிறைய பேச மாட்டேன். மை மேனேஜர்ஸ் அண்ட் மை கஸ்டமர்ஸ் நோ மீ. ஐ ஹவ் சோ மெனி செலிபிரிட்டி கஸ்டமர்ஸ். ஸோ வந்து இன் மை ப்ரொஃபஷனல் சேல்ஸ் பிச் ஓவர் இயர்ஸ் நான் வந்து ஃபர்ஸ்ட் அவங்கள பேச விட்டுட்டு ஃபுல்லா அந்த கண்டென்ட்டை எடுத்துட்டு என்கிட்டேருந்து அவங்களுக்கு என்ன தேவை ப்ரொஃபஷனலா அதை மாத்திரம் சப்ளை பண்ணிட்டு வெளியில வந்துருவேன். ஸோ தட் இஸ் ஒன் கீ யூ கேன் செல் வெரி ஃபாஸ்ட். ஓகே, ஸோ இவ்வளவு நேரம் என்ன வந்து பேச்ச பொறுமையா கேட்ட எல்லாருக்கும் ரொம்ப ரொம்ப தேங்க்ஸ். ஒன்ஸ் அகெயின் தேங்க்ஸ் டு மை ஹஸ்பண்ட் மகேஷ், சேத்து, ஜேசி சார், தென் ஸ்ரீ. 6 காமிச்சது, வேற யார் யாரெல்லாம் வந்து ஆன்லைன்ல இருந்தீங்கன்னு தெரியல. ஃபைன், லெட் மீ see who are all online. That is in my okay. So fine, 15 minutes more as per the advertised time, but I don't want to bore you through as an intro video. So again, let me wait for 5 more minutes till 1950 local time, 7:50 here. Okay, so 9:20 Indian time, and then just me push off. Okay, thanks for the support. Keep supporting me. From Nalik Orinal leave every Friday. So my starting day is very special. Saturday is a very special day for me. So is a puja day also. So I will start from Saturday 7 to 8 p.m. local time, UAE time. நான் வேணா ஒண்ணு பண்ணலாம், பிகாஸ் வந்து எனக்கு ரெஸ்பான்சஸ் வந்து நல்லா இருக்கு, பட் ஐ நீட் மோர் ஆடியன்ஸ். So what I'm going to do is it should be a T20 match. It should not be a practice session. No, we bowling, we batting, we fielding. That doesn't make a good match. So what I try to do is நான் வந்து ஒரு டாபிக் எடுத்து லைவா பேசிட்டு இப்ப வாங்க சேல்ஸ் பேசலாம். அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து லெட்ஸ் செல் சக்சஸ்ஃபுல்லில நீங்க வந்து பிராண்டிங், ப்ராடக்ட் மார்க்கெட்டிங், அப்ரைசல் க்ளூஸ் அது மாதிரி நிறைய டைட்டில்ஸ் பார்த்திருப்பீங்க. ஸோ அந்த டைட்டில்ஸ் மாதிரியே நான் ஒரு டைட்டில் எடுத்து ஐ ஸ்டார்ட் அட்ரஸிங் ஸோ தட் இந்த லைவ் வீடியோவை நான் யூடியூப்ல கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணி போடும்போது அது ஒரு டாபிக் அட்ரஸ் பண்ற மாதிரி இருக்கும். தட் வில் மேக் மோர் சென்ஸ். எனி அதர் ஐடியாஸ் கைண்ட்லி ரீச் மீ இன் திஸ் நம்பர். Okay, WhatsApp, Telegram, message. It's a local number for international dials. Any training opportunities, any soft skills opportunities, any personality development opportunities, consulting opportunities for companies, startups, do contact me and I will give my email also. And I also do social media marketing and advertising. I failed to tell that. Okay, so that also I am specialized. And thanks for all the support. Mahesh is live through watching me for the past 1 hour. Thank you so much to my husband, to my brother JC sir, Setu, and all those who watched me online. Okay, your feedbacks are very good for me. It's quite essential. Your critics, your praises, wherever I am flopping, you can kindly guide me. I shall take it in the right spirit and I shall correct myself. That is how sales goes. Sales is sell smart, spontaneous, strategic, sensible. This is the caption I kept for my aspiration. Let's sell successfully. Smart is target the customer, have a specific initiative, then sell. Sell smart, then spontaneous. Sales is something which is spontaneous. You cannot the entire company is depending on every single salesperson and it's a link. So in absence of one link, the entire process is a total failure. It's a teamwork. Sales is basically a teamwork. So sell smart, spontaneous, strategic. Without strategy, even cooking is not possible, driving is not possible, anything is not possible. If so, sales need much higher strategies. That's why this is a coffee and strategies meet. Then sensible. Sensible is, see, you are having a bank card, okay, up to the limit of 1 lakh dirhams. Okay, so and the basic salary requirement for that card is going to be 50 to 60,000 dirhams, but you go and target some workers who are earning 3,500 to 4,000, go bore them. They don't understand your product because they cannot buy your product. They have no time, but you go sit there and you happily address them with no fruitful closure to them. That time is also getting wasted. You can also do one thing. When we were in city, we introduced some base cards after having Al Jaber, I think, if I'm not wrong. Al Jaber industrial area. Al Jaber is a very big outlet here, company. So when we went to Musafa and when we sat with the general manager to sell a top card, he became our first customer. Then the workers were all very much interested and to use a city card. So there was a basic plain blue card from city supporting the salary figures of 3,500 to 5,000. Okay, that is one small venture when I was also a small part into the GCC market. So like that, that is what making sense. With this gratitude for the opportunity to listen to me so patiently through an hour. Thank you so much. Kindly do support me. To all my known managers, I'm into this GCC market again. Please call me for any training clues. Let us meet Saturday local time 7 to 8 p.m. Thank you so much.